Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Now that it's winter time, I spend a lot of time inside and I'm trying to focus on doing a lot of deep cleaning inside my home. And I'm trying to make certain spaces and rooms a one project job just so I can solely focus on that space alone. So for today's video, I am putting all of my focus and energy towards my laundry room. And as you can see, everything is super dusty and my washer and dryer are nasty. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of deep cleaning in here today. So the first thing I'm gonna do is wipe off all of these shelves and clean up the clutter a bit.
He looks at me like I know what he's thinking, but I don't have a clue. True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah, it's almost rather cruel. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm used to treat. Well, the taste is bitter. Oh, go on, chewing my bones, and when he's done, he's spitting me out. I just can't help myself.
So this is how I usually have my bottom shelf, but I don't like that I can see all of this laundry detergent out because it looks cluttered. So I'm gonna move everything out of here and move it into the top bin, then move all of these bottles into the bottom bin.
Share my lipstick, taste my breath, and love me like you love a pack of smokes in the morning. Share my lipstick, taste my breath, and love me like you love a pack of smokes in the morning. One for the day, no hesitation, jerk as we can, nothing to save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you.
If any of y'all have any suggestions on how to remove rust spots and stains out of a sink, I would love to know. I've tried so many different things and I just cannot get rid of it. So if you have any suggestions, just leave a comment below.
There's another side of you trying to break through, able to tell the truth. No one else can see you like I do. All you ever do is say how far you wanna go. Baby, I can tell it's just for sure.
Now I'm gonna squeeze myself behind the washer and dryer and clean the floors because as you can see, there is dust and dirt everywhere and I want it gone. So I'm gonna vacuum all that up and then I'm gonna hand scrub the floors and the baseboards with my Mr. Clean concentrate.
You're perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say doesn't go as planned. So you don't know what it means to be loyal and kind. I know that you're not blind. Tell me what is really on your mind.
Here's a close-up of my washer, and y'all, this thing is covered in dog hair and dust, and the inside is just as bad. So first, I'm gonna wipe the inside out with a microfiber cloth to grab up all that hair and grime. Then I'm gonna go back with an antibacterial wipe to clean the surface even more.
Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. I see them pulling your strings, and you might be seeing things. Yeah, you know I'm real and I'm here. Who cares in a few years? You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you so am I. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. Say that you so am I. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. So am I. I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you.
The detergent and softener area can get really nasty and sometimes even moldy if you don't clean it enough. So that's why it's really important to clean this area out well so all that nastiness doesn't end up on what you're washing. I just use a Method or Mrs. Meyer spray for the cleaner and use a toothbrush just to get into all those nook and crannies of the small compartment. Then I'll go back with a paper towel or a microfiber cloth and scrub it that way as well.
Dancing all night out on the roof, tell everybody I
Now to rinse all this cleaner out, I'm just going to use an empty shampoo bottle filled with hot water. This way I can have a little bit of water pressure when rinsing just to reach all the way in the back of this compartment.
just keep on loving all night out on the roof, tell everybody I do. 'Cause I do. Deep down and in those eyes, think I have memorized, oh, every single flare inside your burning stare.
To clean the inside, I'm going to use these fresh washing machine cleaner tablets to help break up all that built up residue. I've also used the Tide brand in the past, and even though that brand works really well too, I just don't like to use them because I don't really care for the way they smell. Once the tablet's inside, I run the washer on a cleaning cycle, which mine is called Pure Cycle. Now, not every washer is the same, so you'll have to look at your manual for yours to see if that setting is available or not. If you don't have that setting, you can just run your washer on a normal cycle using hot water, as it says on the directions of the Fresh box. Now onto my dryer. I'm going to use this dryer brush and also the small attachment on my Dyson just to remove as much of that loose lint as possible that's stuck inside. Then I'm going to wash the lint tray with dish soap to remove all that built up residue from the fabric softener.
I